안녕하십니까. 오늘은 제 자전거 새거, 이게 산타크루즈 칼본 CC거든요. 노매드. 이거를 오늘 만들어 보겠습니다. Hi people, this is my new 산타크루즈 Nomad Carbon CC. That's aluminum. 저거 알루미늄이에요. 그래서 이거를 지금 오늘 만들고 보겠는데, 지금 제가 조금 전에 더 가까이 보여드리겠습니다. 이 크랭케이스 캡 베어링 어셈블리를 내가 이쪽에 꼈고 이렇게 틀어가지고, 그리고 또 이쪽도 제가 틀어서 이걸 끼웠어요. 그리고 제가 바깥에 여기 베어링이 있으니까 여기다가 물을 이제 자전거 가을에 비 올 때도 타낼 거니까 물 안 들어가게 이거 그리스를 잘 발라줬어요. So after you put the bearing cap on each side and torque it to spec, you should put a even distribution of a grease so that this is a really water prone area here. Even though it has a washer on the outside, you should put grease evenly so the water doesn't get in. So grease를 잘 발라주세요. 저기 물 안 들어가게 안 들어가게. 그래서 제가 지금 이거를 이제 이쪽에 꼽을 거고, 그 전에 이거를 여기다 꼽을 거예요. 그리고 이게 들어가고, 저쪽에는 이제 이게 들어가고, 그거를 하겠습니다. I will show you. I will now install the right crank arm. Well, before that, I gotta put that washer, then put the right crank arm, then the left crank arm. All right, I'll show you that right now. And I'll put this camera. Today is a beautiful day for this. It's a beautiful day to be working on a bike. Okay. So this is a plastic cap I told you about that prevents dirt and water out. This goes just right in here. Then the right and the right crank arm. I give it a little push until it stops. Then what you should do is make sure this is at 6 o'clock and this is at 12. That's the water washer I told you about. think I need to clean this off. Okay, let's see if I can clean this off quick here. Okay, then it goes on like that, and that prevents the water from coming out. Okay, so like that. That is 6 o'clock, and this is at 12 o'clock. Then you need a Allen wrench. Hold this. And then you'll thread itself in. Now, I gotta torque it to that. Okay, so I gotta torque it to spec. Okay, that is torque to spec, and I gotta put the pedals on, and the crank wheel is done. And that's how the crank assembly is done. Thanks for watching, and next video I'll put that or the rear wheel or the seat. Stay tuned. So, and if you like the video, please subscribe and hit the like button. And for the Korean audience, 안녕하십니까? 아니 저 비디오를 봐주셔서 감사하고, 저기 좋아요하고 구독 눌러주시면 감사합니다. 그리고 또 다음에 이제 이거를 비디오를 짧게 해서 보여줄 거니까 다음에 또 오세요. 예, 다음에 봅시다.